Hey guys, so just a quick video for you guys today. Sorry, I know my place is a total mess and I haven't actually set up, but as you can see, something just came in the mail and I am way too excited not to dig into it. It is from Ruroc. So I think you guys might have an idea what this is, but if you don't, we're about to get into it right now, so here we go. That is beautiful. Look at that, you guys. Ruroc Mech helmet. Super cool. I am super stoked on this. Let me know what you guys think of that. I picked the right design. Have you guys seen the helmets from Ruroc? Is there a better one? I think this thing is sick, but there's more to it than just this. So guys, one of the really cool things that I was gonna show you from Ruroc is this. So this is their Shockwave system. This is their built-in audio system. This thing right here, that's the actual system itself. So it actually plugs in right back here. Nice, easy, convenient form factor. And then you don't have this big bulky thing sticking off the side of your helmet. So I'm gonna dig into this a little bit. I'm gonna get it installed. I'm sure you guys have seen all kinds of installation videos on how to put in a comm unit, how to put earpieces in, all of that stuff. But if you want to, you know, follow along here, I'm just gonna go ahead and install this thing myself right now. Anyway guys, that's installing the Shockwave. I'm gonna change out this this visor too, and I'll show you guys kind of the finished look of the helmet. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I hope you guys like it. I think it looks really cool with the gold. Let me know what you guys think. Is it too much? Maybe I should just go with like a straight black. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe, notification bell, all that good stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed my starburst pink outfit today. This is what happens during quarantine. You wear whatever's comfy. But anyway guys, I will see you in the next one. Later.